And there it is. This is Coby with Solo Sail Away. Today, I'm here to bring you some advice and a few little tips in there about those of you that is traveling on the Virgin Voyager, whether you a seasonal cruiser or whether you're one of those first time cruisers. Let's dive in. When getting ready for your Virgin Voyages cruise, remember to pack smart. Essentials like sunscreen, comfortable clothes, and a good book is something that you may need. Now, don't worry about overpacking too much. Virgin Voyages do have laundry services. Now, download the Virgin Voyages app for easy access to the itineraries and the activities that's going on the ship. Now, speaking of the ships, whether you're sailing on the Scarlet Lady or one of the other sister ships, they are all for adults, 18 and up. Now, that means no kids and more relaxation and more fun. The ship have multiple lounges, a spa, a tattoo place, and plenty of eateries. Over 20. Wait a minute. Did I mention that tattoo place? Yes, they got that tattoo party. Yes, I did mention it. Having a tattoo while at sea. I have not experienced it, but I think I want to. Okay, dining and drinking. Forget about those traditional cruise buffet. Virgin Voyager does it differently. From gourmet restaurants to casual restaurants. Now, all the eateries are included. Now, if you want to have a nice drink, nice cocktail or something, there are bars that allow you to be able to see that ocean view. Now, speaking of some of the activities and entertainment, whew, there's never a dull moment on Virgin Voyages cruise. Start your day off with a sunrise yoga or hit the gym. That's just a couple things that they offer to start your day off. Now, in the evening, check out the live shows, hit the gym. They even got a little bit of basketball, and they also had drag shows. There's a lot of things that you can do in the afternoon and evening time as well. So, the shift entertainment and activities is top notch and it's inclusive. That part. The cruise will take you to many different ports of call. You can be enjoying the Caribbean, enjoying the beach. Also, you could be enjoying local markets or snorkeling, getting a chance to meet with the different locals and explore places you never been but always wanted to. Some of those things that's on your bucket list. For those of y'all that just wants to relax and kind of step away, go into that nice hammock if you have one on your balcony. They also got some nice spots where you can just chill and have your alone time. Have that quiet time. Time to be able to meditate. Different things like that. I hope these were some nice tips and advice for your first Virgin Voyager cruise. Or if you one of those people that has been cruising and been cruising on Virgin Voyages, drop a little line and let me know about your experience and tell me what you like and what you didn't like. Once again, this is Coby with Solo Sail Away. Now, press that like button and do me a favor, subscribe. And there it is.